हाय ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक। आज मैं यहाँ पे सूरत के ऑटो एक्सपो में हूँ और जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल है। यू हैव द टू व्हीलर्स, यू हैव द फोर व्हीलर्स, यू हैव द ईवी व्हीकल्स, यू हैव द बिग बॉयज़, यू हैव द प्रीमियम कार्स एंड होस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स। नाउ वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मैं खास करके बताना चाहूँगा कि कुछ ऐसी प्रोडक्ट्स है यहाँ पे है जो फर्स्टली शोकेस की गई है। सो आई एम गोना गिव यू अ लुक अबाउट दैट। स्टिक बैक टिल द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। लुक एट दिस कलेक्शन। I mean, this is a pure vintage collection यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है and it is absolutely massive। मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा एक एक जो products यहाँ पे सजा के रखी हुई है। Just look at this red heart beauty। देखने से एक अलग feel factor आता है यहाँ पर। How about going for a drive in case if it is available? I would love to. This is a Dodge convertible, right? Dodge Kingsway convertible. And you have this left-hand side steering system. If you can just closely look into this. इसकी मैं अगर मैं बात करूँ, this is a 1946 Chrysler two-door coupe. You know, एक अलग look. एक चीज़ मुझे जो बहुत सरप्राइज़ करती है, the kind of a wheelbase and bonnet size की अगर आप देख लो तो what a vehicle this is. What a vehicle. Chrysler convertible and this has a very different value। यहाँ इसकी वैल्यू कुछ और ही है। राजा महाराजा के टाइम की ये गाड़ी अगर आप देखोगे तो this looks really fascinating। You know, I wish I could have had one drive inside this। You know, राजा महाराजा की गाड़ी की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो this is the Cadillac V12, you know, 1935। Wow, एक चीज़ definitely I would say that this is a very well maintained vehicle and look at it, just look at it। It is just massive। What a vintage collection at the Surat Auto Expo that we have down over here। Look at the beauty of this, just look at the length of the car। अगर मैं बात करूँ, you know, Imperial by Chrysler 1961, the black beast, the black beauty, अगर कुछ भी आप बोल लो, I'm sure a lot of movies have this vehicle on their board। And let me show you something from the front section। There you have the front section which looks really nice with the silver chrome garnishes, right? आपको एक अलग चीज़ यहाँ पे दी हुई है। The design philosophy even on those 1960s 70s की अगर मैं बात करूँ, then it's absolutely onto the classic factor। This is a brand new vehicle जो MG ने अभी फ़िलहाल introduce किया हुआ है, and that is the Majester and looks really aggressive। काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं। Look at the alloys, it is like 19 inches of alloy and अगर आप यहाँ से भी देखोगे it is absolutely massive। Absolutely in an SUV categorization it has a configuration of 7-seater also और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें। So one absolute big vehicle, Majester। One of my favorite brands, Toyota, right? Range of products जो Toyota के पास फ़िलहाल they have it across and this is यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो we have Munjani Toyota जिन्होंने ये पूरा स्टॉक रखा हुआ है। Host of products, you have the Camry, you have the Urban Cruiser। ये एक गाड़ी हमेशा fascinating होती है and this is the Land Cruiser, right? This is big, it's massive and इसकी बात ही कुछ और है। Another favorite product of mine, Velfire, जिसका एक complete descriptive video। This is luxury on wheels with 2.5 liter, right? Petrol engine along with a strong hybrid। इसका एक complete descriptive video चैनल पे available है। So MG Select, another product that they have given sort of a MPV, right? M9। लेकिन हाँ, एक चीज़ ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगा, it's got completely loaded along with features, right? Somewhere in line along with the Toyota Velfire। एक चीज़ जो fascinate करती है ये गाड़ी को लेके, it's the doors। There you have, this looks beautiful। That's nice, that's Cyberster for you ladies and gentlemen। So Mahindra XCV9e, the electric, लेकिन the matte version, right? Looks quite pretty and good। और ये बाजू अगर मैं बात करूँ then this is the Formula E limited edition version for BE6। Definitely it looks like a Formula edition। जिस तरीके से इन्होंने पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पे, look at the headlights, you know, this is something which is very different। Now can you guess this car? अगर आप बोलोगे कि this is LC200, trust me ladies and gentlemen, I'm here for a surprise। Look at this, it's basically a Hilux, right? So उसको अलग तरीके से मॉडिफाई किया हुआ है और आगे से ग्रिल के सेक्शन से अगर आप देखोगे, so as you can see down over here, Toyota Hilux and the body kit is for a Fortuner converted to an LC300। something very different. One of the latest addition in the OEM, अगर यहाँ पे मैं बात करूँ, this is the VinFast, right? So 2 models down available over here. आपके पास VF7, one of the fascinating products है. Design philosophy इसकी completely अलग है. If you see, look into the tire segmentations, and this is like, you know, अगर आप देखोगे तो it is still quite big. So electric vehicle on the go, right? Lots of things. On the design philosophy, this looks really good. So you have the Range Rover, right? This looks really fascinating. Absolutely amazing, a big vehicle, right? काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, and this is completely in a different frame. Another beautiful product, right? It's the VW, right? यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो you have the Tiguan GT Sports. Now red color looks really nice. Color combination looks really fascinating. Plus overall, अगर यहाँ पे भी अगर मैं देखूँ तो you have the Tayron R-Line. This vehicle ये थोड़ा सा अलग है combination, color combinations की अगर मैं बात करूँ ना, this looks really big. So even the road presence would be much better. So coming to the premium segmentations, now यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो it is the BM7 series. Look at the length of the vehicle. I mean, this is seriously big. एक aggressive grille यहाँ पे दिया हो, which is really fascinating, and it's once again the black beauty. So the big boys, right? यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो this is the G-Wagon, right? So but this is electric. So it's not the normal one. यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ, and coming down over here, this is something which I'm sure a lot of you people would love it. This is the AMG and looks really pretty. Yellow color की अगर मैं बात करूँ, it's absolutely amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is one thing जो आप हमेशा चाहते हो. Basically, you wanna take it on a off-roading parameters. कहीं पे भी आप लेके जाओ, and you're gonna definitely have a fun. So once again, I would love to talk about the Jeep, right? The Rubicon, massive vehicle, and especially adventures के लिए अगर मैं बात करूँ खास करके, this is one real big product. We would love to have a drive down over here.